Hi everyone. Many aspirants have been texting me, messaging me on how to improve their English. So I just thought I'll make a short video on the same, how to improve your written and spoken English. First of all, I would like to let you all know that learning a new language is very, very difficult. English is not our mother tongue. So it's very natural that you are not well versed in English. Those who have studied in English medium schools from since childhood, they obviously have a better command over the language, and it is not something you just cannot have. With practice you can learn any new language. So it takes just years of practice and speaking and writing that someone improves. I can tell you from my own experience, now that I am learning Marathi, how difficult it is for me to learn it. So I don't get disheartened because I have to go to the field and interact with people and speak Marathi. And if I am not able to do that, I will not able to do my duty properly. So it's not about getting disheartened, but practicing every day, reading it, learning it. It is a step-by-step process. So there's no shortcut to the same. So many have been telling me, say the name of some books or something. There is no magic wand to learn English. That is what I want to tell you all. So there are certain basic things you do when you learn a language. Now that I am learning a new language, Marathi, there are certain basic things I am doing. First of all, do you know the letters, the numbers, the alphabets of that language or not? So the first thing is solved when you know the letters and numbers and everything. Second is, there are two parts, spoken English and written English. So how do you improve both of them? For spoken English, imagine when we are in childhood, when we learnt Odia as a mother tongue or any other mother tongue of ours. How did we learn that? We learned small story books. We used to read aloud. So whenever you are reading the newspapers, try to read English newspapers and try to read it aloud. So when you read it aloud, you keep on practicing the sounds. There are certain words for which you don't know the pronunciation. Google is a very good help in that. You type that name in Google and then there would be a box with a sign of loudspeaker. So if you click on it, pronounce that word, then it pronounces it for you. You can even go to YouTube and type a word and write pronounce word this. Say miscreant. So you go to YouTube and you type this word and it pronounces the word for you. So that is, I do not say I am an expert in English, absolutely. But you slowly develop, you keep on doing mistakes and you learn. So I just want to give you some basic tips which will help you. Second is reading English books. Have and some of your friends, ask friends for certain story books or certain normal books which will improve your spoken English. Have certain friends with whom you interact day in day out in English. Try to talk to them in English. Have some friends who knows English and you can just converse with them. And if you want any specific book for English, see, I have never read any specific book which I bought from the market and I have practiced it because I never needed it, right? So there are many simple grammar books which are available in the market. You should get an English grammar book which will give you a basic understanding. English grammar, Odia grammar books have the basic rules like past, present, future tenses, prepositions, adjectives, nouns. You can always buy a translation which is there in Odia as well as in English or any other language. So that will help you in improving your grammar part. Another thing which you can do is, there is an app I used it during the vacations to learn new languages. It's called Duolingo. I'll put in the link in the YouTube video description. Duolingo. You can learn English in that. It's a fun game, so you will enjoy the way it teaches English. Third is, you can watch English movies, see how they're doing it, and then in 2 weeks or every week, try to write one English essay and get it corrected by someone. So when you start writing English, then slowly you will develop the habit. Obviously you'll have grammatical errors and mistakes in there will be mistakes in your spellings as well. Slowly it will improve. So it's not a one day affair, that is what I'm trying to tell. It will take some time, so just have patience, and slowly when you keep on writing all this, it will improve. And next is along with essays, you can always listen to some YouTube videos, and there are many YouTube videos where they teach you how to improve English. So you can watch certain videos. If certain people can afford, and you are really in need of someone who can make you better at English, you can join any institutions as well to prepare you better for spoken English, if that makes you confident. So that much basic things will come, so don't worry about it. And those who are really poor and cannot write in English, you can always write in your own medium in the UPSC. There is no restrictions as such that you cannot prepare or give UPSC mains in your language, in your mother tongue. So you can see in UPSC notification there are specific languages in which you can write UPSC. So choose any language you are comfortable with. English is not absolutely required. Even your interview you can give in the language you are comfortable in. It doesn't have to be English. So you have to keep that in mind as well. I think so. I have just given you a basic idea about how you can improve your English. You can always drop down in the comment box anything specific you want. I can help you with, then I'll try to address it in the next video. And I would like to tell you, my Twitter ID and my Telegram channel ID is there in the YouTube video description. You can go there and find. You don't have to continuously ask in the comment box, where is the Telegram channel. It's there. Thoda sa mehnat, do little bit of effort, you people. All the aspirants, I'd like to tell you, you all want to be spoon fed. That is something which is not going to help you in future. Try to find out a lot of things. When I was preparing for last so many years, no one did anything. There were toppers videos, there was topper strategy. I used to follow them, find out and read. I have put all my resources in the Telegram channel. I have put all my videos in the Telegram channel, on my Twitter page. But still I get thousands of messages every day. What is the strategy? What is your optional? It sometimes takes a lot of my time in responding to such messages. So be judicious when you are using my time. I am trying to help you out. So let me help you out in the way it is beneficial for you. So if you try to keep me engaged in this mundane things which is readily available, then it is a loss to you. So let's use this forum to help, to create a forum where I can help you more and more, rather than trying to give answers to such silly things. I hope so you get an understanding. All the best.